In this video, I'm going to go over the text to columns tool within the parse tab. So sometimes you may have data where you have multiple values concatenated together within one field. For example, here we have zip codes that are concatenated with a comma between each. Best way to tackle this is to use the text to columns tool. We can drag this to the canvas, and you'll notice it automatically selects a column to split. It has selected the column that we want to split. You can designate your delimiter here. It automatically picked comma. You could pick something else like a space or a pipe or anything of your choosing. Now, first option here is split to columns, and it asks you how many number of columns you want. Let's just leave it for 3 for now and see what happens. Extra characters, we'll leave extra in the last column. And output root name, let's just name this zip codes. When we hit run, this is what happens. We are able to parse on the comma into zip code 1, 2, and 3 because we specified 3 columns. You'll notice this one, it parsed it perfectly. This second one, only the first 2 values are filled, but the third one is null. And the third record, there were actually 5 zip codes here. It parsed the first 2, and it left, since we said leave extra in last column, it left it all there. If you were to select drop extra with warning, for example, we click run, you will get the third parsed zip code, and it will drop all of the remaining. And within the workflow, it will warn you that it had to drop some information. I've typically never used drop with or without warning or error. I always leave an extra column, and I just make sure to do enough columns so that I know that it's been completely parsed. And so now we have 5 columns of zip codes for this one. And it's named all of the columns appropriately, zip code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. And we can deselect anything else as needed. The other way to run this is to do split to rows. So, keeping the same column to split in the delimiter, select split to rows, and when we hit run, you'll notice it actually parsed it and flipped it on its side. It transposed the data. So now we have this western region, we have all 3 zip codes in a single column. We've got the 2 zip codes for eastern and the 5 southern zip codes. Now this can be super valuable because maybe you are trying to parse this list to get a vertical list, and this is a feature I have not used a lot in the past, but in researching this video, this will definitely be something that I use in the future because split to rows makes it very easy to get your full list of zip codes. Now there are some advanced options. These have mainly to do with ignoring extra delimiters, so you can ignore delimiters in quotes, single quotes, parentheses, or brackets, and you can even skip empty columns. I've typically not used any of these. I've typically always stuck with split to columns. So in this video, we went over the text to columns tool, and the main purpose is splitting a value on some delimiter that contains multiple values within one column. We can split to different columns, or you can do an extra step to transpose that data and split it to multiple rows. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.